How to compute for the mean of the factors. In our SPSS data view, click on Transform, Compute Variable, and then we provide a variable name for the target variable. So let us name our first target variable smin1. And then, in the numeric expression, we enter the formula to compute for the mean of the factor for component number 1. The mean of the factors for component number 1. So again, the items under component 1 are S1, S2, S3, and S4. So our formula to compute for the average or mean is S1. You can also double click. You can just double click the variable mean. It's S2 plus S3 plus S4 divided by 4. Then we click on OK. In the data view, you will notice that one column has been added named smin1 that shows the average of the 4 factors of component number 1. Another way to compute for the mean of the factors is, again, click on Transform, Compute Variable. We supply or we enter our target variable mean. This time, we enter smin2. No? We will compute for the mean of the factors under component number 2. So another way is in the function group box, we select statistical, and it will show all the functions and special variables under the statistical function group. We double click on the mean, and then we supply all the necessary parameters, no? In computing for the mean of component number 2. So again, the items under component number 2 are S7 and S8. So we choose S7 and S8. Then we click on OK. So again, in the data view, you will notice that additional column has been added named smin2.